Ekiganiro kyetabirwemu eminyeeto n'abeebembezi okuruga mu disitulikiti nka Kabarore, Kyegegwa, Kamwenje, Kyenjojo, Fort Portal, Kasese, Bunyangabo, Ntoroko na Bundubujo.
And what we produced is still in the store because of the market. We are like, when we made the total expenditure on the land, what we used in the land, the hiring, we found ourselves even making losses. In fact, up now we are still counting the loss. So land is an issue because we don't have.
By this time, you should be able to know how to survive in a modern world. We should be driven by modern skills, knowledge that do not account for big chunks of land, but you can just survive in a small space, but using your brain.
Ripota ya Ministry ya Buhingi, Obulisa n'Obujubi ya National Strategy for Youth Employment in Agriculture ahabwa mwaka 2017 neyerekanga eminyeeto ekirina obuzibu bw'okutunga emirimo omu bicweka byona omu ihanga.
That if government can accept and gazette some pieces of land to be utilized by the youth, that would be good for us. But when the chairperson Chegegwa did say, the pieces of land that are within the mandate of the district leadership, we have been giving it out to the youth. For example, in Kasese.
John Kisoke, orumukuru w'entebe ya katana bwa district ya Kyegegwa, ashabira eminyeeto okukuratira emiringo eriyo okuhebwa amataka ga gavumenti okukorera projects ezirabiha omu bworo.
For this matter, I don't think they really need people to hire. This is the government land, and these are organized youth. They want to go into production. Why should they hire?
Gashoka Jonan Singwiri.